Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode on the channel.
Hey guys,
We're joined with our guest today, Ant13731.
it's your boy.
And what are we unboxing today?
Oh, we got our real gem today, boys.
We have the iPad Pro.
Look at that beauty.
Now this is going to be a really nice iPad. This is the 12.9 inch iPad. And it looks like we have a special pull tab. Should we get started?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright, here we go. And we're going to get started with the pull tab. Let's listen. Let's see if it's satisfying. Okay, not bad, not bad.
No.
I don't think it was as satisfying as the iPhone SE.
It's a little bit too big to be satisfying, you know?
Yeah. The price is inside the box. Oh, I think this box is going to be a pretty good box. Actually, oh yeah, it's a really nice box. They really outdo themselves on the boxes.
Probably where half of the money goes.
Wow, look at that. It is life-size. Like,
Pretty sure the iPad's bigger than the one on the screen.
I think it actually is because it goes right to the edge.
Yeah.
That bezel-less display, they're really trying. Wow, look at that. Wow, I hope this one doesn't bend. Wow, look at that. We got the two cameras. Nice. Wow. All right, let's get out of the packaging. Wow.
That's satisfying.
That was satisfying. Oh, and they have my engraving in there. It's really tiny. It's hard to see. I don't know if you can see it on the camera.
You probably won't be able to.
Yeah.
Oh.
Property of Hunt. Wow. I thought it was bigger before. Maybe it's because the iPad's so big.
Yeah.
Wow. Let's get this bad boy started.
Beast.
Oh, this thing's huge.
All right, so while we wait for this to get started, how about we check out what else is inside the box?
All right, let's take a look here. Oh, do we get stickers?
There's gotta be stickers.
There's gotta be stickers, right? Price tag that big. Oh, it's got the Face ID. I forgot that was a thing. That's the French side. Oh, that is the French manual. Oh, there it is. There's the manual we want. Face ID, control center, tips, top button. Oh, nice. Tells you about the Apple Pencil. Doesn't include it though, which sucks. And yes, we are going to be getting an Apple Pencil. We'll do the unboxing of that in a later video. The real thing I really like about the iPads though is the USB-C connector. That really makes a huge difference. I don't see any stickers.
No way, did they get rid of the stickers?
Unless this is them. Maybe. Oh, it's too slippery. Can't get it out. The stickers are more important than the box.
That pains my soul to see them rip like that.
Oh, there we go. Oh, they're big stickers.
Oh, they're humongous.
Wow. We can put these on our car now.
Bigger than your, like, MacBook.
We have to get a Prius so we can put it on the back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. That's a small charging cable. Yeah. I think well, we're going to have to upgrade this a little bit. Maybe we'll get an aftermarket one.
Yeah.
Don't tell Apple. That's pretty nice still. It's a little bit thinner. Like, you can feel it. Like, they really... It's not as thick as the... You can feel it, test it. So, it's not as thick as the MacBook Pro one.
Feels like the one that used to come with the iPod.
Yeah. Oh, charger. We gotta take the plastic off here. They got this new plastic on here. Alright, let's see. Now, I'm really surprised they haven't switched their iPhones over to the fast charge with the USB-C. One day. They changed... The iPhone Pro comes with the USB-C on this side with the brick. But this side's still Lightning. Because...
You never know, it's Apple.
Yeah. Look at that.
Hello, my guy.
It's hard to fit into the screen.